The problem is that far too many of us are being very nonchalant, very lackadaisical, very carefree, very careless about what we have been given, about the measure of faith that God has given us. During the pandemic, we had to do church from home. It was necessary. And so we attended services from home. And then after the pandemic, we had social distancing. And a hall that would seat 700 people was allowed to seat only maybe 75 people. It's almost as if we became spectators to church as opposed to participants. We would sit in front of our screens and watch what could be called a documentary of some sort, a Bible exposition of some sort. We didn't really participate. Some of it because we felt it was a bit awkward participating with a screen. So we became spectators and we got really comfortable being spectators. But we're not called to be spectators in our faith. We're called to participate. And when the pandemic ended, many of us have struggled to move back into the mindset of a participant. It is almost like we're stuck in spectator mode. The problem, listen, is not about being at home. The problem is the difference between a spectator and a participant. The problem is being comfortable with not participating. The problem is when we become comfortable with being passive. And many of us have fallen into this posture of passivity.